In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable delete record. If you need to remove a record from an Airtable base, the process is simple, but it's important to do it carefully. Deleting a record can affect linked information. So before you confirm anything, make sure you're removing the correct row. Start by opening the Airtable table that contains the record you want to delete. Take a moment to verify that you're in the right base and the correct table, especially if you manage multiple datasets. This helps prevent accidental changes in the wrong location. Next, find the specific record you want to remove and select it by clicking on the row. Make sure you're choosing the exact record you intend to delete. If several entries look similar, it's a good idea to quickly review the fields in that row so you can confirm you've selected the right one before moving forward. Once the record is selected, open the delete option. You can usually do this by right-clicking on the record or by opening the record menu depending on the view you're using in Airtable. The goal here is to access the action menu for that specific row. From there, choose the delete option and confirm the action when Airtable asks. This confirmation step is important because it helps prevent accidental deletion. Once you approve it, Airtable will remove the record from the table. After that, the record will no longer appear in your table. At this point, the deletion has been completed. Keep in mind that if the deleted record was connected to other records through linked fields, those linked records may lose that connection. In other words, the related entries may still exist, but the relationship to the deleted record can be removed. That's worth checking if your base depends on linked data for tracking projects, clients, inventory, or any other connected workflow. If you realize later that you deleted something by mistake, don't panic. You can check Airtable's trash or revision history to see whether the deleted data can be recovered. This is especially useful when you're cleaning up records in bulk or making changes quickly. That's the full process. Open the table, select the correct record, access the delete option, confirm the deletion, and then verify whether any linked data was affected. If needed, review the trash or revision history to restore what was removed.